initial inspiration was Lego, playful ideas, modularity.
If I could correct you, sorry. I was trying to put all the work together and find a common thread in my work. Lego was not necessarily my inspiration while I was doing the project.
Okay.
So yeah. Sorry.
But the idea of components repeated, which is an exciting idea. Why do you refer to your work, which is actually quite playful? Why do you refer to it as being so serious?
As in, I could talk about because I've spent time on it, and its work has to be serious. It's not the work necessarily, the process. It hasn't been so serious, but that's what the audience is looking for, to see my work. So it's more serious stuff here. That's why. That's all.
Well, I was very impressed with the presentation, and I really felt that you could see where your inspiration was and how you translated. I think that's a very important thing in actually in product or in furniture design, is that where you see your inspiration and how it gets actually translated. The end result may not look anything. One is a plastic, factory-made, precise 90-degree angle product compared to a natural bamboo which has curves. So, well, I was very happy to see the connection, even though it was not so obvious physically, but it was really good.
Thank you.
I actually like the attitude. I think there's a very strong personality behind some of these images, and I think we could see that. I like the fact there was also this user behavior interaction through the Lego and stuff like that. My question is that, it seemed like, the interactivity of the object, and this memory loss condition where the designer is concerned. And it's like a consumer can take over a design and completely forget who the designer was. It was very, very profound. How do you think these aspects influenced some of your later work?
We come across products like Twistics, which was actually something that I wanted to talk about but didn't have a connect with the topic. So Twistics is the simple wrap that goes around your bread every day. So I may think about it as a designer because I know there's someone sitting somewhere designing something. But a person who hasn't been through a process like a formal education in design may not think about it so much. So I often wonder how we think is design, or how a person using my design would think of my design, because I'm not the one who's interacting, it's my product. So it's quite fascinating. Did I answer your question? Sorry.
Yes, possibly. I also like the aspect that you said, it's okay to fail. And I really wish as designers, people gave us money to fail. I think we need more funding just to fail.
Thank you.
But yes, I think, besides just to get back on the previous point I was making, was besides the stackability of that one little,
Sure.
play object, really I think, the Lego and the user behavior did not really, and I think you have something very interesting going on. You have a bunch of great ideas.
I don't have a question. I just think that it was nice that you were so full of what you felt. You actually tried to put across your own DNA and how you wanted to come across as a designer, what you wanted to do. It was all about you and your thoughts, and very technically good too. I also like the fact that your inspiration or what makes you comes from your own personal experiences and not what you see around you. Because really, it's a subliminal quality in a person that actually brings out these. Design product is nothing but an emotional response, and I think it comes from within. And it's nice that you recognize that consciously.
Thank you.